Well, was the attack on Sarabjit Singh premeditated? Sources have confirmed to Times Now that the Lashkar-e-Toiba or the Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan could be behind the brutal attack, which was meant to kill him. Intelligence reports have also confirmed that the attack on Sarabjit was to avenge Kasab's hanging.
A savage and brutal attack on an Indian prisoner. One that has left Sarabjit Singh comatose and battling for his life, as his grieving family rushed to Lahore's Jinnah Hospital. The nefarious designs of these men being exposed by the foot soldiers who carried out the assault.
This attack on Sarabjit could be a sort of revenge attack after what happened to Kasab, and this could have been instigated by either the Tehreek-e-Taliban or the Lashkar-e-Toiba, because it is felt that there was enormous uproar after the execution, after Kasab was hanged, and therefore there was enormous talk even at that time that something should be done to Sarabjit Singh.
An intelligence report of the government confirming the attack was LET and Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan's possible revenge for the hanging of a man who carried out the worst terror strike on Indian soil. Even Sarabjit's family questioning how he could have been thrashed so brutally without outside support.
सरबजीत के सिर में लोहे के रॉडों से वार किया गया। सोचने और पूछने वाली बात है कि जेल के अंदर जब मैं 3 बार गई, मेरा तो टिश्यू पेपर भी आपने बाहर रख लिया। लोहे की रॉड जिनसे सरबजीत पर वार हुए वो जेल के अंदर कैसे गए?
Sarabjit's former inmates exposing the reality in Pakistani jails, proving it was an assault designed to kill an Indian citizen, helpless in a Pakistani prison.
उनकी कोशिश ये थी कि इसको ख़त्म कर दिया जाए, क्योंकि इन्होंने अजमल आमिर कसाब को फांसी दे दी गई और उधर से अफजल गुरु को फांसी दे दी गई।
पाकिस्तान के अंदर जो भी होता है वो जैसे कि इंडिया में कोई पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ कोई काम होता है या कोई ऐसी कार्रवाई होती है तो उसका एक्शन वो ज़्यादातर कैदियों पे अमूमन लेते हैं।
Why is South Bloc insistent on its soft approach? Isn't it time to make Pakistan and those who use its soil to plot against India answerable? With Srinjoy Chaudhary in New Delhi, Viren Ferrao, Times Now.